Hi guys, today we talk about Honor 200. It's launched on May 2024. The Honor 200 dimensions height 6.36 inch, weighs 2.94 inch, thickness 7.7 mm, the weight is 187 gram, and the build of Honor 200 front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Honor 200 it comes with OLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.7 inches with 90% screen to body ratio. The resolution of an Honor 200 it comes with 1.5K screen resolution and the PPI density is 436. The refresh rate of Honor 200 is 120 Hz and 4000 nits peak of brightness, and the protection is Jorino glass. Let's talk about the platform of Honor 200. It comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 and the CPU is octa-core Cortex A715 and the GPU of Honor 200 is Adreno 720. The memory of Honor 200 it comes with 8, 12 and 16 gigs of RAM and 256 512 gigs of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. Let's go to the camera setup. The Honor 200 comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 15 megapixel telephoto with 2x optical zoom. And it's record 4K 30 fps video. The front selfie camera is 15 megapixel and it's record 4K 30 fps video too. The battery backup of Honor 200 it comes with 5200 mAh battery and 100 watt fast wire charging. It cannot support wireless charging and it supports reverse wired charging. The common than the features of Honor 200 it comes with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, infrared port, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, UFS 2.2, NFC, fingerprint under display and IP55 dust and water resistant. The price of Honor 200 is $350.